No way. No freaking way. My goodness. Do you guys remember when Rhode sent the huge bath bomb when they launched their pineapple cleanser? Well, we have a mini version of it. Let's take it to the water. Yes, there you go. The pineapple cleanser. Still going. If you guys wondering, it's a waste of a bath bomb, why you're not inside of the bath. I'm a mom for 3 kids, and today I don't have a time to take a bath. That's the reality. We have to schedule a time for a bath. That's just mommy life. Thank you, Rhode.